Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of the apps you use every day. Today we're diving into Airbnb, the app that revolutionized how we travel. Is it still the go-to platform for booking unique stays in 2025? Let's find out. What is Airbnb? Airbnb connects travelers with hosts offering everything from cozy spare rooms to luxurious villas, and even unique stays like tree houses, castles, and tiny homes. The app promises to deliver authentic, local experiences while making travel more accessible and affordable. Features overview: the Airbnb app offers a seamless experience for browsing, booking, and managing your trips. You can use the Explore tab to find stays or activities tailored to your preferences. Filter by price, amenities, and type of property, including the trending Airbnb Luxe and Airbnb Plus options. Save favorite properties for future trips with the wishlist feature. 2025 updates: Airbnb continues to improve. New features include AI trip recommendations. The app suggests stays based on your travel history and preferences. Flexible booking. Cancellation policies are clearer, and flexible date searches make last-minute planning easier. Experiences 2.0. Expanded options for booking activities like cooking classes or guided city tours. Pros of using Airbnb: variety of listings. Whether you want a beachfront cabin or a chic city loft, there's something for every taste. Local experiences. Many hosts offer insider tips and curated experiences that you won't find in traditional hotels. Cost-effective. Sharing accommodations or booking unique stays can be more budget-friendly than hotels. Cons of Airbnb: fees can add up. Service fees, cleaning fees, and taxes can sometimes make bookings less affordable. Inconsistency: the quality of stays can vary since they depend on individual hosts. Is Airbnb still the best in 2025? For those who value unique, personalized travel experiences, Airbnb is hard to beat. The range of stays and experiences, paired with its easy-to-use app, makes it a favorite for travelers. However, if you prefer the predictability and convenience of hotels, you might look elsewhere. That wraps up our review. Have you used Airbnb recently? Let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. Safe travels, and see you next time.